Unlock the secret to perfectly readable text on every screen size in Webflow. First, let's get our text elements into Webflow. Select the text block you want to make responsive. Now, navigate to the Style panel and find the Typography section. This is where the magic happens. We'll start by setting our base font size for the desktop. This is your largest view, so choose a size that looks great here. Next, to ensure your text adapts, we need to define how it scales. Look for the font size unit selector, which usually defaults to pixels. Click on this unit selector for truly fluid and scalable text. We're going to choose viewport width units, often abbreviated as VW. Now, adjust the value. A good starting point is often around 3 VW or 4 VW. This tells Webflow to make your font size a percentage of the browser window's width. As you switch between the device previews desktop, tablet, and mobile, you'll see your text automatically adjust its size. Notice how the text shrinks on smaller screens, maintaining readability without compromising your design. For headings, you might want slightly different scaling. Webflow often provides options to adjust heading sizes relative to the body text or independently. You can apply the same viewport width technique to your headings to ensure they also scale gracefully. Repeat this process for all your text elements. The key is consistently using viewport width units for your font sizes, and Webflow handles the rest. By mastering responsive typography with viewport width units, you guarantee an excellent user experience, no matter how your audience is browsing.